In front of me is OnePlus Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can delete saved Google passwords. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. If you have more than one Google account, click on it over here and tap on the preferred one. Now select Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Then just click on the one that you wish to delete. I will go with my Instagram one. Enter your current login method and hit delete over here. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully deleted from Password Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!